In this video, we will be going over why you no longer see a green 2017 Diesel ZR2 in front of you. It all started back in June when I was driving home. I got an oil change and I got stranded on the side of the road by the truck on the way home. Evidently, the main power wire to the ECU rubbed through. So I got that fixed, $600 some out of pocket. You know, thankfully I was not off-roading or anything when that happened. I was just driving home in a populated area. But when we build these trucks to go where we go, that's extremely concerning. So I did the repair out of warranty, and I was headed up to the Upper Peninsula for our big adventure that we've had planned for a couple years. And I was just about to turn on the Mackinac Bridge, and what do you know? My truck just dies on me. This time there were no warning lights though, it was just nothing. And the motor would turn over, but this time one of the relays in the ECU that powered the fuel pump went bad. I had to get a $450 flatbed tow back home, and it was during that 2 or 3 hour ride home that I had a lot of time to think, and it's left me stranded twice in the last 90 days at that time. And with what we do with these trucks, that was unacceptable. So I began my search for a Bison, as I've wanted one ever since they came out. Thankfully, my dealer where I got my previous ZR2, I ordered it from them. They had a Bison in stock and they really wanted to get rid of it. So I figured, I needed to wait till my truck was done being fixed, because they fixed the fuel pump issue under warranty, thankfully. But so Mitch at Voice Motors, he's a great guy to work with. He let me take delivery of this beautiful black 2019 Bison with a 3.6 liter V6, and they didn't even have possession of my ZR2 until it got all the warranty repairs. So I took all the parts off the other ZR2 except for the front bumper, and I'll put in a short video here. So the ZR2 is going off to the shop to investigate the wiring short. Not super happy, but it is what it is. Truck's got 50,000 miles, and I will reserve judgment. Hopefully it gets rectified quickly. I was on the way up to our UP trip where that last video cut out, and I got stranded by the truck again just south of the Mackinac Bridge. The whole ECU took a crap, so I traded the truck for a new Bison. Currently at the shop here having all my stuff taken off of it, and we're going to be doing a Bison build. So a lot of good memories with the truck, and here's to say goodbye. Left me stranded one too many times. So if you're unfamiliar, the Bison comes equipped with standard skid plates and unique front and rear bumpers that are stamped steel. The skids are boron steel. Hard to show you underneath, but there's lots of other videos showing it. This is the front tube, unique Bison front bumper. Let's see if you can see the skid plates. They go all the way front to back. There's several of them. Unique fender flares, wheels. And we'll eventually have a black and gray Go Fast camper on it. So this is just a quick update video. I know this is pretty short form, but we're into a Bison now, and we are very excited about it. We're going to be putting in some rear chase lights in the inserts in the rear bumper. This will be one of the first modifications. So these are made for lights. So my Baja Squadron Sport Ambers combo beams are going to go in there, and I'm going to wire them to the cargo light switch, like my friend Zach did with his bed lights. Thanks for the idea, Zach, and thanks for the idea for the Go Fast camper. But we are into a Bison now. Thank you for watching the channel. Pretty sad the way that the diesel truck had to go, but because of the reliability issues, I decided to go with gas, and just for more power, and I'll eventually supercharge it. I do have GM Performance parts coming for this. All of the Jounce shocks, the crosscar beam, the front upper control arms, the leveling kit, the rear striker plates, and then obviously the front and rear Jounce shocks already tuned by General Motors performance. So I'm really excited for those Jounce shocks, and I don't really need to do the long travel because we do low speed stuff, but I think the combination of the Bison with the Jounce shocks and the Go Fast camper should be a lightweight, fun package. Please stay tuned for the build and the performance parts going on in the near future. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell because I don't upload that often, and we hope you enjoy the Bison build.